नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं फ़ोन व्यू में। मल्टीनेशनल मोबिलिटी और सॉल्यूशन कंपनी मोटोरोला ने अपने फ्लैगशिप फोल्डिंग फ़ोन मोटो रेज़र के 5G वेरिएंट मोटो रेज़र 5G को भारतीय बाजार में 5 अक्टूबर को लॉन्च किया। मोटोरोला इंडिया के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर प्रशांत मनी और मोटोरोला इंडिया के मार्केटिंग हेड शिवम रंजन ने एक ऑनलाइन लॉन्चिंग इवेंट के जरिए इस स्मार्टफोन को बाजार में पेश किया। दिलचस्प बात यह है कि इस स्मार्टफोन को भी कंपनी ने पुराने रेजर स्मार्टफोन की लॉन्चिंग कीमत पर ही लॉन्च किया है। मोटोरोला रेजर 5G फोल्डिंग स्मार्टफोन की स्पेसिफिकेशंस, कीमत और इस स्मार्टफोन से जुड़ी अन्य सभी जरूरी जानकारी के लिए इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखते रहिए। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Prashant Mani, and it's a great pleasure having you all here. And very excited to bring the next generation of the Motorola Razr, the refined icon which we call the Motorola Razr 5G. Let's watch a small video that showcases the journey of the Motorola Razr 5G. The journey of refining the Razr began by understanding the usage and gathering the information through multiple channels. Finally, we measure customer satisfaction through what we call a net promoter score. Basis all the information we took, we designed the iconic Motorola Razr 2. We know that the Razr owners value finely crafted design. Hence, it is important for us to keep a design-first mentality. With that in mind, and keeping the iconic form factor and compact design, we were able to create the most compact 5G device in the world, fit in the most advanced selfie camera in the world. Not just that, we enhanced the robustness and premium finish of the product and significantly enhanced durability through engineering innovations and rigorous testing. Now that we have spoken about the Motorola Razr 5G, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to unveil the Motorola Razr 5G. Now to give you more details of this iconic Motorola Razr 5G, I will invite on stage my colleague Shivam Ranjan, the head of Motorola marketing in India.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Prashant, and thank you for having me here today. Let me begin by digging into the details of the latest and the most innovative Motorola Razr 5G. To begin with, let me talk about design. Razr was all about reinventing an icon. And with the Motorola Razr 5G, it's about refining an icon to make it even better than before. We've learned a lot from the first generation of the Razr, and we've put all those learnings into making an experience that is even better than the earlier generation. The first of its kind, the Razr, incorporated smartphone technology along with pioneering technology in foldable displays, creating today's version of the original Razr. Leveraging the most recent Razr, Razr 5G has taken the design to the next level by incorporating more powerful features without compromising on its signature, sleek, sharp design. Let me give you a few highlights of what comprises the design of the Razr 5G. The Razr 5G is true to its name, razor sharp and sleek. It stands true to its iconic design philosophy and being razor sleek and sharp. It's got a more smaller, tapered chin, which ensures that you get a super premium look without compromising on functionality. This packs 5G antennas without you even knowing about it. And also, to further refine the look, we moved the fingerprint sensor from the front of the chin to the back at the Motorola dimple to ensure that you get a clean, clear look that stands out as a premium design. We've also created this design with 3D formed glass and 7,000 grade aluminum to ensure that when you hold the device in your hands, you've got nothing but the best. And there's more. We've improved the hinge mechanism to ensure that it is more robust. We've also ensured that it is water repellent design. And not just that, it's lighter in weight, but packs one of the most advanced camera systems within the class of foldable smartphones. And now, to move on to the next feature, let me talk about the innovative Quick View display. Now, our consumers loved the Quick View display with the first generation of the Razr. And this is a feature that we've worked on, we've enhanced to ensure that we are able to give you infinite experiences. The second you look at the Razr, it's obvious that the external display is going to be beneficial. But at a deeper level, there are benefits that come out over a period of time that fundamentally change the way you interact with the device. The Quick View display delivers tools, information, and experiences that are really simple and intuitive. When we first launched the Razr, the users could definitely experience some of these experiences. But what we've done with the Razr 5G is enhanced it even more to give you a far better experience. The Razr 5G comes with the most advanced selfie cameras in the world. We've got a 48 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, an f1.7 large aperture. We were the first to get to 5G. Back in April 2019, we were the first to deliver 5G capable devices. Not just that, we were able to achieve some of the fastest 5G speeds in the world with the Motorola Edge Plus. And now, we've extended that capability into the Motorola Razr 5G. Talking about fitting 5G technology into such a small space was no small engineering feat. It required the use of the first available 5G SoC, the Snapdragon 765G, which allowed almost 30% more space efficiency than the other 5G chipsets in the market. In order to achieve the small footprint demanded by this form factor, the Motorola Razr 5G packs a 12% physically larger battery than the previous generation of the Razr. Not just that, when you need to recharge it, you get turbocharging of 18 watts right out of the box. The amazingly slim profile of the Razr has been actually created by splitting the battery into two halves. And Motorola has developed sophisticated algorithms to ensure that we are able to enhance and optimize the performance from these split cells to give you a full day of usage. We are also optimizing the battery performance with the 765G chipset on the 7 nanometer process. The software. Motorola always believes in providing a pure, clean Android experience to its consumers without any bloatware, without any adware. And we've stuck true to this promise with the Motorola Razr 5G. With HDFC Bank, we are launching a 10,000 rupee instant discount or cashback with HDFC Bank credit cards and credit and debit EMI transactions. Not just that, we're also launching no-cost EMI schemes of up to 12 months with HDFC Bank as well as other leading banks. With Reliance Jio, we're announcing a double data, double validity offer on the rupees 4,999 recharge. This amounts to savings of approximately 15,000 rupees. And now, to announce what all of you have been waiting for. Yes, the availability and pricing for the Motorola Razr 5G. To announce this, let me invite the Managing Director for Motorola India, Mr. Prashant Mani, back on stage, please.
The Motorola Razr 5G will be available in its ultra-premium sophisticated polished graphite color at 1,24,999. This will be available exclusively online at Flipkart and select offline retail stores. And we will start sales on the 12th of October. Thank you so much for joining us and groove on with the Motorola Razr 5G.